What's up, everyone? I want to give you some tips here to hopefully help you in your trading today. And this is what I'm going to give you based on this example that is happening live right now in the markets on SPY. So trend is going to tell you which direction, bullish or bearish. Momentum is going to give you an idea of how big of a move we're going to have. Well, how do you determine momentum? Let's look at yesterday for an example. Yesterday we had a gap down below the low of the previous day, and the bears came in strong. And by the way, as they should. This was an incredibly bearish gap. All the bulls were trapped. We took out all their stops, and it just sank down. But what happened when we made it back down to these daily 10 EMAs? So if we zoom back out over to here, right, we gapped down and it ran down into these EMAs. Well, the bulls took over, and where the bears should have easily brought it back down right here, they got stopped out. And then it started to reverse, and we start reversing trend and rampaging higher. So the bears should have easily pushed us lower. But what happened? It closed up way higher than that, way higher than where it opened. And so now it's starting to tell us, hey, the bears did not do what they should have done. The momentum is shifting, it's flipping, and this is carrying into today. We ended up getting a big gap up, and now these bulls are just running because the bears are proving how strong they actually are in this area. We're going to find out what happens in the next key bear area up here a little bit higher on SPY. But for right now, the bears are not strong. And so this makes momentum very strong to the bull side. It makes the bears trapped, which means they have to exit to close. Continues to go higher. So if you can start looking into what should happen, bears were extremely strong here on this gap down. They rampaged it lower as they should. It should have continued down. That's how strong of a gap this was. But what happened? It reversed. It did not do what it should have done. And so that's catching people off guard. Momentum is shifting and it leads to these big moves. And so if you can know what to look for and identify these momentum and go, hey, look, bulls should be strong here. And so if the bulls start taking 575 on SPY, this should be incredibly bullish. So if all of a sudden we get a gap down here, what's going to happen to momentum? It is going to absolutely fall apart. And you can easily make money to the bear side because you understand that momentum. You know where the bulls should be strong, and you know if they were strong or not. And if it traps them, it leads to pretty large moves, which is exactly what happened yesterday. We trapped the bears, immediate gap up, and we're getting strong follow through on the bull side, which makes trading so much easier because you can identify the trend on which way we're going, but then the momentum allows you to be able to make big moves and big money. But just realize momentum, clear momentum plays like this don't happen very often. So you have to kind of sit back for a few days and wait for someone to commit. And when the bears finally got that gap down, I was like, here we go. We should be going bearish. It reversed hard. And now I have my momentum, and that should be carrying us for the next few days. Hopefully these tips kind of help you to be able to figure out how I can carry these big momentum plays and make money, and realizing they're not going to happen every single day. It takes time to set things up. So if the bulls continue to run, I think this momentum could carry for a few days potentially. If the bulls carry this all the way up into 575, and then we start getting some bear strong plays through that area, you're going to get big bear moves because the bulls did not do what they should have done. The bulls need to be strong up here, and if they aren't, that could cause a reversal. So that's going to get you a little bit prepared for this coming few weeks in trading. But just know, see the momentum, find out what should happen, and if it doesn't, if it reverses, now you know there should be some pretty strong plays going that other direction. Hopefully, again, this helps you out. Look at the momentum. If you can see it, you're going to make so much more money in your trading.